welcome to the darkness. In today's serving of Cracking the Spine, your humble host serves you the story of a hot summer's night. This story was brought to my attention by a good friend whilst reminiscing about his exploits during a heatwave in his youth. The story begins on a hot summer's night. I'm sure we all know the feeling of oppression by warm weather, the suffocation of lack of air. So I decided to go for a walk. It was around 2 a.m. and everywhere was quiet. I live just outside a busy city and was craving noise and movement, so I headed towards the centre. I started to see and hear people and cars, music from bars, lots of people enjoying themselves. I get enjoyment from watching people, their behaviour, body language and interactions. There is a problem with watching people. Some don't like to be watched. They give funny looks or shout obscenities, all very unnecessary. There was one group of revellers who were particularly loud, and one individual who gave me a particularly nasty look. I took offence to this, so I decided to take action. I followed at a distance, walking through the streets, ducking into alleyways and behind parked cars. The group slowly dispersed and people went their separate directions. I kept on following the one who looked at me distastefully. When he was walking along the pathway and all his friends had left, I made my move. I tapped him on the shoulder and asked, "You remember me?" After the initial look of surprise had diminished, I took a pen out of my pocket and stabbed him in the eyes. "You won't be giving anyone else nasty looks again. I do enjoy taking a stroll on a hot summer's night."